You join us here today with which is probably one of the most viewed minis on YouTube right now, and that is Dave's JCW. So it's back in with us here today at Carbonwurks for some extra goodies, which I'm quite excited about. And it's a new product to ourselves, and that is an MMX shifter kit. So if you join me over on the bench, I'll talk you through what this shifter kit is all about and what options you actually have. So it's laid out nicely here in front of us already. Obviously you don't have 2 gear shifters in your car, you've only got the one, but we've got 2 here to show you the colour options available. So you have a titanium kit, which is on the right hand side, and a blackout kit, which is on the left. And effectively what is part of this kit is the main shifter, gear knob, bezel and the gator. You have 3 different colourways with the gators. I can't remember all from top of mind, but I'm pretty sure there's a black, a grey and a red version. So you can spec that as well as the colour of the gear shift as well. So these products are available on our website. What will they do? Well, that's a good question. So it is a short shifter. So the idea is it replaces the original mechanism, and it's a little bit more involved. It's not just changing over the gear knob on the top, it's also changing the mech here, which hopefully gives us a bit of adjustment. That means we can make that gear shift even tighter and even closer, and obviously replacing the inner bezel section keeps it nice and tight and neat, and more than anything looks amazing. So I'm really keen to see what this is like installed. As I said, we've got 2 options. We're going to install both for you guys, so you're going to see what both these look like installed on the car, and I'll be interested to know what you guys think is the better choice. So we'll get on with that. We are also going to do an installation video, which is something that Sam's going to do. So if you are interested in purchasing this kit from us, but you want to install it yourself because you might be the other part of the country or the world, well then at least you can have a little look at that video and see how it's done in person. So enough about me talking about the product. Get it on the car, and then I'll give you some feedback once it's installed, how it feels compared to the standard. And yeah, I'm undecided which one's going to look best. I'm leaning towards the titanium, but you never know when it's installed. So see you guys shortly. Let's get this in on the car. So we've got the black version installed now, and I think it looks pretty smart. It certainly blends quite nicely with the rest of the interior. There's quite a few black accents in the inside of these minis, so this works quite well. I think the titanium version will pop a little bit more, be a bit more vibrant, but straight off the bat, I'm liking this a lot. So we're going to get the titanium version in, and you can see what that version's like. That's the version that actually this particular owner, Dave, is going to go for, so that's what's going to stay in. But we thought it's a good opportunity to get this one in. So that's swap over, and I'll speak to you guys in a minute. So all wrapped up here, and the titanium version is installed. So yeah, I still think I'll go for the titanium version. I just think it pops and gives a bit more sort of contrast to the rest of the interior, so looks amazing. But more than anything, hopefully you can pick up on the sound on this. Now that is crisp. The best way of describing this is it feels very similar to almost like a Porsche GT3 with a manual box, or Lotus Exige, something like that. That is very track specific. So it's nice and short. It's just a beautiful, crisp feel. I feel like if I had this car, I'd probably just be sat in the driver's seat, just shuffling gears all night long. But anyway, enough about my evening plans. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. It looks amazing, feels amazing. I've got to say, I think this is probably one of the best bang for buck mods you can do for these cars. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this product and would like to buy, or for us to install it, have a look on the website. You'll be able to find it there. But thanks for watching. See you next time. So a little bit of bonus footage. Dave has given me the keys to his JCW and he says, go give it a drive, see what you think. So I'm going to take it down the road and give it the real test. See what it's all about. Yeah, that's nice.